It's Sarah from Your Creative Junction, and I wanted to wish you a happy Victoria Day. It is the long weekend in May here in Ontario, and we are soaking up the sun, which is why today's video is recorded, and I'm not going to go live with you tonight. The weather is just too beautiful, and the moments with my family are too far and few between, so we are headed to do something fun together, and I didn't want you to miss out on these super fun announcements that I had for you this week. So I crafted ahead of time, and I got everything done so that you could see it, and I could still give you this video. So I have lots of things to share with you tonight, an overview of a couple of brand new things, and I really wanted to take the time to go over them with you. It's finally here. If you've been waiting, and I know some of you have, for the mystery box to launch. Here is all of the information and all of the details. And if you have no idea what I'm talking about, you might want to tune in anyway, because this is a pretty fun thing, especially as we move into the summer season. And we're all going to be going in all sorts of different directions to enjoy the short amount of time that we have in the summer sunshine. So this is the perfect fix. So you know that Your Creative Junction is all about creating community, and for us to bring you all sorts of opportunities to be creative through that community. And this is just one more thing for us to be able to layer on, to be able to deepen those connections, and for us to be able to commit to being creative on a regular basis. So here launches the mystery box. And I haven't decided if it's a program or what it is. It doesn't matter. We'll get there. The language will likely change, but I have tried to give as much forethought as I could to all of the questions. I know you all fairly well, that you craft with me on a regular basis, so I was trying to anticipate the things that you would need and or want, and also to throw you a little bit of a curveball with something a little bit extra. So there are 4 different mystery boxes that will happen. And the way the program works is that once the program opens for registration, then you will have about 5 days or before it sells out, because it is a limited edition, to register. You are committing for 3 months. So for May's registration, which will open this coming Saturday, you will have 5 days or until it sells out to grab your spot. And that will give you a craft box in June, July, and August. And you will pay monthly. You won't pay all at once. And because that's to try and make it as feasible as possible for everyone, and as easy to manage for everybody. Your payments will be automatic, and your craft box will be ready for pickup the first Friday of the month. The first Friday in June, then the first Friday in July, and then the first Friday in August. These boxes will be available for shipping. However, shipping will be an additional cost. I've kept the prices, the margins are as tight as I possibly can, and I don't have room to include free shipping. So most of you are pickup, so that it made sense to me to have it so that those who wanted shipping would pay for it. I will work with the best possible shipper that I can to get the best possible deal, but it will be at an additional cost. So what are the first 3 boxes? Well, they're these guys, our favorites. You all have these bases, and if you don't, you want them. So these are the first 3 mystery boxes: the interchangeable window, the interchangeable barn door, and the interchangeable truck. So each month you will get a new insert to go into your base. If you don't already have a base, that's okay. You can buy one. Once you sign up for the mystery box, you're going to get a special coupon so that you can get one at a savings deal. So one or all 3, because all of these will coordinate. So every month, this insert, they will all coordinate with one another. So some of you already own all 3, and some of you don't. And that's okay. You pick the ones that are going to work best for you. If you choose to subscribe to all 3 boxes, there is additional savings and there is an additional perk. All of these details are going to be sent out in an email as well over the course of the next few days, because registration opens on Saturday. Okay. The fourth box has nothing to do with these interchangeables and is I'm calling our creative crate. And that crate will have two options, an adult option or a kid option. And that crate's gonna be full of all sorts of different projects that you could do throughout the month that you may have never seen before. It's not just wood and it's not just painting, although there may be a wood painted item in there. There'll be all sorts of other things. Think mosaics and think watercolor and think clay and think beading, all sorts of things. Whatever I can come up with, we're gonna put in those boxes, and it's gonna be different each and every month. So again, if you are registering, you are committing for the 3 months and then you're done. You can either choose to sign up again or you can choose to take a break. It's up to you. And those who are currently in the club might have an advantage to join the next one a little bit earlier than everybody else. Maybe, we'll see. There'll also be lots of opportunities for perks along the way, little coupons, little special projects that you weren't expecting. I can't wait to fill these boxes, some of them are back here, with all sorts of goodies for you. One of the things that I love the most is being able to give back and being able to give to all of you. And so it's going to bring me a lot of joy to pack these boxes every month full of things that are a complete surprise. One other thing I want you to know is that community piece is also very important to me. So those who are in the mystery box club, I don't know what we're going to call it, there will be a private Facebook group for you as well. A place where you will get one-on-one tutorials with me, special ones that don't get sent out to everyone else, as well as instructions and tips on how to paint your mystery box for that month, and a place for you to post your brag. Show us how you made it. We can't wait to see. If it's feasible, it might happen, I'm not sure, but we may come together and paint them together. I'm not sure whether that'll work or not, but we'll see. There will definitely be a Facebook group. So I am super excited. You're gonna start to see us posting about this week leading up to. There'll be all of the details so you can plan, but what is in the boxes remains a mystery each and every month. You will never know, you gotta trust me. So it'll be a surprise for you, which is kind of fun. Bringing a little bit of joy each and every month is what we wanna be able to do. So we're really stoked and we hope you are too. Please note that this is a limited run, especially the first one, because I'm not quite sure how many of these we're going to be able to handle. I want to make sure that we can deliver them on time. So the first one will be a limited edition. There won't be as many spots available the first time, so you're going to want to plan accordingly. Saturday morning, this item will go live on the website and you'll be able to add it to your cart and check out, and once they're gone, they're gone. That is that I wanted to make sure that you knew that this was happening. This is launching. So 4 boxes, interchangeables, 1, 2, and 3, or combine them as a deal. And then the 4th box is what I'm calling our creative crate. For adults or for kids, you'll get to choose whether you want an adult box or a kid box. So yeah, that's it. Super exciting. There's one other thing I wanted to tell you. You also have been begging me for merch. You want to be able to sport our logo and share your love for this place. And so we've done it. We've gone ahead and we have added t-shirts, sweatshirts, and bags. And a couple of things I want you to know. There are 5 different designs. This is what it looks like on one of the bags. This is our canvas shopping bag. We also have a craft bag. So I heard you loud and clear. The craft bag needed to be big. And the intention for this bag is so that you can carry your crafts back and forth from home to here when you're working on projects. This is more of a library tote or a grocery tote. This is 100% canvas, and we are making these in-house. These are handmade by us, by the team, and all of the designs were made by the team. So there are 5 different designs. This one says less scrolling, more creating. I don't know what my shirt says, but you can probably see that. And so each of them has the logo on it and has the QR code, so that anybody who can see that can just scan it and can go directly to our website and find out more about what it is that we do. The other thing that's really important for you to know is that all of the proceeds from our merch line, so our t-shirts, our sweatshirts, and our bags for now, we might do hats eventually, I'm not sure, but for right now, this is what it is. Oh, one more thing coming. I'll talk about it maybe next week. All of the proceeds are going to our bursary. So we're getting more and more inquiries about children and families who need access to arts and creativity, but just don't have the budget for it. And there are many of you who are tacking on a donation when you register for things, and for that we're so grateful. But all of the proceeds from this as well are going to go towards that. In-house, we're selling our snacks now. We have snacks and we have drinks all for purchase when you're here to visit. All of those proceeds go to the Creative Bursary Fund, and then now all of our merch proceeds as well. So helping us to beef up that fund so that we don't have to turn people away. So we really appreciate it. This is live on the website now. So you can go and check it out and place your order. You can choose your colors, you can choose your size, and then we will have them made for you and turned around. You know that I don't stock anything. It's not good business decision to sink a bunch of money into supplies, so it takes 7 days for us to turn those around. You choose your colors and your size, we order them, and then we make them to order. That's the way we got to do business right now. So we know that you are used to that, and we'll be just fine with a little bit of a wait. Once your merch is ready to go, you'll get an email that you can come and pick it up, or we can ship it to you, your choice. Just to note that your logo may look a little bit different. We're creating it so that it obviously has our logo on it, but also talks about you being a VIP crafter, and yours won't say creative team on the back. That's just for our staff team. They will be identified in black, and it will say creative team on the back. So anyway, we hope that that makes sense to you and that you want to support us and to carry around our merch. I know I've had lots of requests for it, so go and check that out on the website right now. And lastly, did you get your email? It hit your inbox at 6:30 tonight. So you should have it. It should have all of the highlights for this week's classes in it, as well as a special coupon code just for you. Those emails are so important. You opening them and reading them is so important to me. I try and keep them as light and as informative as possible. I hope you're enjoying them. So go check. If you haven't gotten yours, check your junk box. It could be there, spam, junk, I don't know, they all have different names. Sometimes it's in a promotional folder, go look there. The way to get around that is to add sarah@yourcreativejunction.com as a contact in your email, and then my stuff won't end up in your junk box. Anyway, that's it for now. I hope you had a fantastic weekend and that you are as excited about all these new changes as we are. We can't wait to see you here in the studio this week. So find a class or find a creative studio time that works for you and come and create something this week. Your mental health will thank you. Thanks so much and have a great day. Take care. Stay crafty. Bye.